Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight grain prices are a little bit lower. I think some people feel that the market now is going to play a guessing game as far as once the deal is signed this week and there's a 30-day implementation period, what will China buy? When will they buy it? And so right now it seems like overnight people are not convinced that they're going to rush in here and buy something real quick. There is a few people that think that they might buy a few beans, maybe some pork, before they start their New Year celebration, just as a gesture of goodwill after the signing of the deal. So we kind of have to watch that pretty closely. As far as weather is concerned, South America's weather is okay. Here in the United States, we're going to go kind of back and forth between fronts moving across the Midwest, cold, normal temps, kind of a normal winter, not too severe. Chicago dodged a bullet over the weekend as far as missing a winter storm that was projected. There might be another one, though, for this weekend. As far as the wheat prices here in Chicago up 9 cents, while corn was down a penny, beans were up a nickel. We also note that there's a lot of different private guesses coming out after Friday's USDA report. Basically, the USDA did not change U.S. carryouts for 19 and 20. The range of guesses are pretty much around that 475 for beans. Corn, we got quite a range. Someone is as low as 1620 based on the fact that they think there could be some buying by China, maybe 125 million bushels more exports, and that also the feed numbers that the USDA is using is way too low given the animal numbers. For 2020, there's a pretty big range. I mean, a lot of it depends on weather, how many acres farmers plant, and the demand, especially by China. But your guesses range from 350 to 500. The government's at 533 in beans, 2 billion to 2.6 billion in corn versus the government's 2.7 billion. And wheat, guesses are around 700 to 900. And the USDA is 872. So in 2020, we're basically going to see bounces depending upon demand and any weather issues. But all in all, if we don't have any weather problems, supply should exceed demand and prices could go down later in 2020. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.